Meantime, as we mentioned, shares of Snowflake sharply higher after reporting beats on the top and bottom lines, giving strong guidance for Q4 product revenues. Snowflake also just announcing it's teaming up with Anthropic to bring Claude models to the AI data cloud. And joining us now is Jefferies analyst Brent Thill. Brent, which is a bigger deal here, the strong product revenue or these remaining performance obligations at $5.7 billion given the consumption model?
Hey, John, RPO accelerating, the biggest beat we've seen in the model for a long time, accelerating the actual guidance more than the beat. This is one of the best quarters we've seen in a long time from Snowflake. Software starting to get life back into it. We've said for the last 3 quarters, we wish we were semiconductor analysts. I think we're excited to be back as software analysts. So software's coming back, and really good to see the momentum here at Snowflake.
Brent, how meaningful is it that Snowflake is confirming this multi-year strategic partnership with Anthropic?
I think it's important. I don't think it's the end-all, be-all. There are companies that we work with that are embracing 10 large language models. Intuit mentioned at their analyst day they're going to have 10. Others have 2. Some have 5. Anthropic is obviously a leader. Snowflake has been behind in AI, and Sridhar, the CEO, came from Google, had said they were nowhere really a year ago to now getting on the right page in AI. So they have a long way to go, but they're on the right track. They're improving, which is the most important thing. And we think under Sridhar's leadership, he is working 7 days a week to ensure that they get this right. So Anthropic's one of the key leaders that are out there. And so it's a good partnership to have, but I'm skeptical on a lot of these partnerships, to be honest. They tend to not go anywhere, and everyone's announcing a relationship with NVIDIA to every other vendor in the industry. So you got to be a little skeptical about the relationships.
Brent, seems like a big quarter for Sridhar, given what the stock has done so far this year, and a lot of this downdraft before he took over. How much does it matter why they have this momentum right now, and how much valuation upside potential is there given his technology background versus the operational background of the previous CEO?
Yeah, I think it's important. Snowflake's been one of the worst performing software stocks of 2024. So I think everyone was pretty critical that, the change out when you're talking about Slootman to Sridhar, he did a great job at ServiceNow and did a great job at Snowflake. But they really need to bring in more of a product-led organization. And his technical experience is really helping out. Databricks was really taking a lot of mindshare growth rate. They've done phenomenally well in accelerating their growth. And here, Databricks is accelerating and Snowflake's decelerating. So everyone's scratching their head. They're both in the data game. Why is this happening? So they need to make a quick pit stop. We've said the analogy for Snowflake with Sridhar is they went into the pit stop. They got a new windshield, a new radio, and new tires. And we think it's coming back on the road as a better car. So we think it's going to move faster. We think this is a better setup now. And again, a lot of this is led by Sridhar's technical expertise rather than, the go-to-market piece.